Hello my friends, today we'll show you flashlight from Wuben model D1. We will test it as a power bank, as a charger, as a flashlight, and at first let's see what we have about flashlight. It's not fake real LED, and at least I think it's one and only one coins minus of this model. What we have here is quick access till moonlight, is quick access till turbo, also memory, quick access till strobe. You see it at least lightweight, but it compact with battery, so totally real working weight would be about 100 grams. What we have in compact. Also we will compare with this one flashlight. I made review about a week ago. You can find on my channel. It's model with full size USB-A. The same button like branded Wuben, not bad. Flashlight power bank. But let's see what we have here. At first let's check compact. This one interesting cable with Type-C, USB-A and USB-A for charging from battery inside compact battery. But I think it's no need, cause you can use any Type-C to Type-C cable. You see this compact battery, high capacity, built-in Type-C, and it can work with Type-C to Type-C cable. And at least you see contacts here and here. You can use any battery those size. Let's see how works charge, discharge, and then we will continue talks. Charging 4 ampere, 1 ampere not so interesting. Let's see discharging 1 ampere, and totally what we have almost 2000 milliamperes and 3 volts in the end. I didn't show you, here it has magnet and it can be useful. Two-side clip, those nice looking optic. It would be really wide light. I will show you this like brazen LED inside. By triple click you can off it if you don't need, but I think that's cool. You should not off it. So press and hold, we have moonlight. When flashlight is on, press and hold, we can change modes. Put for example 100 mode, short press for start, short press for off. Double click, we have for 30 seconds 1100 lumens with memory. That's cool. Press and hold, and we have other modes. Also double click, quick access from on, quick access till turbo from off, double click, and we have this one strobe without memory. Double click for turbo, double click again, it's again strobe. 4 clicks. Sorry. Even I look like I made even 5 clicks. You see, lockout. And again 4 clicks for lock, for unlock. What we have here in our manual. And let's Let's see how it works. We will compare, for example, with this one. Skill hunt, new model, neutral white, and then continue our talks. So really about 175 degrees, and on right side we have neutral white skill hunt, not very warm, not very cold, I mean. Our Wuben that's cool, so 5 lumens, short distance like keychain flashlight, and at least I can walk inside the room, and in the same time I can start till 1100 lumens and also would be ok. Let's see, in open space, gain 5 lumens for short distance, and let's see other 100, 300, 1000. You should remember about only 4000 kelvins, not a lot of light for far distance. Also, I will show you magnet, that's really cool for DCM. And let's go until more distance. I will show you it. Again 5 lumens, short distance, and let's see, I think about 20, maybe 30 meters would be here. Camera didn't show clear that I can see light near my legs. I can walk in with it. I want to show you that it's good floodlight. Also, let's see next one then. It would be far distance, I think about 50 meters. In model of 1100 lumens it can be useful, but 30 seconds you should understand that it's not for far distance flashlight. Also quick access to strobe. In some case, some dangerous case, maybe it can be useful for you, but most of all it should be city using. When you walk in, you have dark place, you get this flashlight, start with I think about 30 lumens, 300 lumens would be enough. Simple click and you have good light for walking. So in my opinion that's really cool. That's a flashlight with a lot of cool moments, like optic, like quick access to different mode, like this one cool things with this one right here, with building charger in battery, a lot of function additional, like power bank, like LED indicator of level of battery. When it starts 5 seconds it will show you a level of battery, like blue, blinking blue, red, blinking red, and a lot of other cool things. In description would be link where in text review I will show you graphics, how it works, I will show you measures, how much it needs in different modes, and also would be link where you can buy it plus coupon if you're interested in it. So put like, subscribe for my channel, and you will see a lot of other new reviews. That's all. Bye bye.